Well, it's getting winter time, and yes, it's the LS Swap Camaro. We need to paint the doors. I'm going to call you over and paint the fenders and finish walking the hood, and then final assembly this, and this should be done. Hopefully this will be done in the next couple of weeks. This video ain't about that car. We're going to actually mess with the Maverick today. If you ain't seen it, we saved this Maverick. It was in the back of the woods. We took a tractor and got it out and stuff like that. It's a little grabber, but it's getting winter time. Of course it is. We're going to throw the hood back on it, so hopefully you enjoy this little short video break on the Maverick. We go over the car a little bit and you can see what we have done, and basically we moved a lot of stuff and accomplished nothing. We poured the wheel end out. We still need to remove the shocks. I got a shortened 8.8 that we will probably install in this. If not, I got a 9-bolt from a 3rd gen like this one, but 88 IWOC style, you know, with the 9-bolt posi. If I keep that wheel in, I might put it under here, but I like the idea of the 8.8, so we might just go with that. It's already shortened. Picked this trunk up in Texas. Right here, it looks pretty solid. It's better than no trunk. Now it's not bolted on in the back, so you know, it sticks up. We'll address that when we bolt it on. I just got a ratchet strap inside. Underneath here, we removed the gas tank. It's pretty solid. It needs cleaned up. It does. But as for rust, this car is extremely a solid car. I mean, it needs one 4-pan. But I probably put a whole, you know, kit and caboodle 4 in it, because up front they got it patched. The man could just do a front patch and one complete 4-pan on it. From what I've seen, the Mustang, like the 60s and the early 60s, some models fit these pretty good with a little bit of modification. Doors still, look at this. I can't believe it. I bet we'll drive it without a 4-pan. Won't be my first car. Fenders ain't eat out. You know, basically it's a 4-pan in the back lower of the quarters. Inside here is not eat out. Battery tray is, that's common, but the boxes and all this is solid on this car. So we need to strip this down eventually. Yada yada yada. Put a motor in it, whatever we choose. That's the old Trans Am hood from where we put the newer model front end on it. Just leaning up here. This is good metal. Good patch panel. That's probably what I use it for eventually. Can you see me? Can you? Look at this Maverick. That's a good angle. Wow, that's a thumbnail. So we're going to grab the hood. We're going to set the hood on it. Don't mind this. I had this trying to find a place to set my camera. Ooh. Whew, about lost the camera. Don't move. I'm going to set the hood on. And then you should be safe here. As long as a gust of wind don't happen. Stay. Of course, one person can't do this. We needed a helper. It fit. Fit like it belongs on the car. How about now? It's a grabber. See the hood? We can modify this hood a little too. I might build a fiberglass mold of this hood and run a full fiberglass hood on it. Be a good video, show y'all how to make like custom parts with a fiberglass mold. In no way is it practical, financially smart. If they make a cow hood that you want and it's fiberglass, buy it, because you can't make it no cheaper. But they don't make grabber hoods, and I like to do a little, like make it a little taller or something, some kind of mods and stuff. But this is a good hood, man. You can patch around on it and This one hit too. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we start working on this car, which it'll be someday, because I love this. I love the body style. You don't see Mavericks often, and I like to have a comment too. You know, basically same car, but I don't know. What do you think? What should we do with it? Chevy motor, LS, 8.8, standard shift. Done got the standard in the LS. I just don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know if you're excited for this build when we get started on it. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. And if you want to show me a little bit extra support, check the eBay store out for anything you want on there. You know, I do sell some car parts, some clothes, and some tools and stuff. That helps out too. You don't have to. You know, don't buy nothing you don't need. Money's too hard to come by. Just by watching helps me out. Thank you again. I'll see you next time.